Ever wondered how Netflix knows exactly what movie you'll enjoy next? Or how Siri seems to anticipate your needs? The answer lies in machine learning. It's almost like magic, isn't it? But it's not. It's science, it's data, and it's everywhere. From personalized movie recommendations to virtual personal assistants, from self-driving cars to fraud detection, machine learning is at the heart of it all. But what exactly is machine learning? In a nutshell, it's a method of data analysis that automates analytical model building. It's a branch of artificial intelligence that allows computers to learn from data, identify patterns, and make decisions with minimal human intervention. Think of it as teaching a child to recognize shapes. You don't specifically tell them what a square is. They figure it out from examples. That's what machine learning does. It learns from examples and experience. So machine learning is not just a buzzword. It's a technology that's reshaping our world as we speak. But how does machine learning actually work? And no, it's not magic. Let's break it down. Imagine machine learning as a very smart student. This student or algorithm is given a ton of data to study. It pores over this information, learning patterns, identifying trends, and gaining insights. Now, based on what it's learned, this algorithm can make educated predictions or decisions about new, unseen data. It's a bit like studying for a test and then being able to answer questions on the exam that you've never seen before. Pretty cool, right? And just like there are different ways to learn a subject, there are different types of machine learning. There's supervised learning, where the algorithm learns from labeled data. Unsupervised learning, where the algorithm explores unlabeled data to find structure. Semi-supervised learning, a mix of the two, and reinforcement learning, where the algorithm learns by trial and error, much like a video game. So machine learning is a lot like teaching a child. Provide examples, give feedback, and eventually the system learns and improves. Machine learning might seem like a complex concept, but its practical applications are endless. Picture this: a future where healthcare is personalized, where finance is secure, where entertainment is tailored to your unique taste. This isn't some far-off dream, it's a reality made possible by machine learning. In the realm of healthcare, machine learning algorithms analyze vast amounts of data to predict disease outbreaks, personalize treatment plans, and even assist in drug discovery. In finance, it's employed to detect fraudulent transactions in real time, ensuring your hard-earned money stays safe. When it comes to entertainment, machine learning is the secret sauce behind your favorite streaming service's uncanny ability to suggest the next binge-worthy show. And in the broader business landscape, it's used to understand customer behavior, automate tasks, and deliver a personalized user experience. In the end, machine learning is all about making our lives easier, more efficient, and more personalized. And that's a future we can all look forward to.